Hello, everybody. I hope you're okay. Welcome to our class. I'm Mr. T.
Hi, boy. How's it going?
I'm okay, thanks. Well, welcome to the 10th session, right? Today is the 10th session of English with Basic English, Challenge Your English. Um, Today we want to work on the grammar. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So we talked about email address, phone numbers, and names. Now, we want to read the questions about these parts. Now, look, we have this grammar box here. What's it? I want to play the audio for you. Please listen and look at the sentences. Let's listen.
Page 7. 3. Grammar. What's it's?
What's your name?
My name's Victor Lopez.
What's your email address?
It's VLOPEZ6@cup.org.
What's your phone number?
It's 646-555-3048.
All right. Now look at the board, please. I have this question here. What's, question mark, and it's. Okay. So it here is a pronoun. What is a pronoun? Pronouns are like I, you, and we. Okay.
Okay.
And yes. And what is this here? What is this S? What does that mean? Do you know?
No, I don't know.
When we say it's here, apostrophe S. So what is that? No idea? What is it?
That's.
That's is another form of it, like we say that's. That's is actually that is. It's is, it is. So this S means is, right? It's the short form,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Well,
Apostrophe
now let's
S.
look at the, what's that?
Apostrophe S.
Yes, apostrophe S. Now let's look at the contractions, the short forms. What's equals what is. Names equals name is. It's equals it is. So these are the short forms that we have.
Okay.
Okay, now let's practice some questions. Here I have a question. What's your name? Can you make some other questions with what?
What's your last name? Or what's your email address? Or what's your phone number? And
Oh no. Yes.
okay.
Okay. Or maybe you can ask what's your girlfriend's phone number, right? That's also correct. Well, so let's go to part A if you have no questions. So in part A, we want to write a question for each answer, compare with a partner, then practice. Look at B. B says, my first name is Haley. Haley. So the question is, what's your first name?
Okay.
Number 2.
What's your last name? My last name
Right.
Osman, Osman.
Yes. What's your last name? Number 3.
Number 3, phone number. What's your phone number? 347-555-2801.
That's right.
Number
Number
4,
4.
email address. What's your email address? It's j.song6@cup.org.
Number 5.
What's your teacher names? My teacher name it's Miss Ruzi.
Yeah.
What's your student number? My student ID number, wait, it's 3688972.
Okay, good, good. So let me type down the answers on the board. These are the questions, number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 4. Okay. Now, in the next part, we want to practice these questions, okay? We want to ask and answer these questions, and you should answer with your own information, okay?
Okay.
Let's start. So, please ask me number 1. Your
What's
turn.
your first name?
My first name is Mohammed. What's your first name?
My first name, Mr. T.
Right.
What's your
Okay.
last name?
My last name is Wafa.
Wafa.
Yes.
Good.
What's your phone number?
366-555-219.
Is it your real phone number
No,
or
no,
fake?
no. Or it's fake.
It's fake. Okay. Well, yes.
What's your
Absolutely.
phone number?
My phone number is 0915-245-0656.
Okay.
Number 5. What's your teacher's name?
My teacher name is Mohammed.
Yeah.
What's
So listen, sorry. We say my teacher's name. Teacher's name. Okay?
Yeah.
That's the right answer. Teacher's name.
Your turn.
Your
Me
It's
turn?
your turn.
Yeah, okay. What's your teacher's name?
My teacher's name. I don't have a teacher.
Okay, good.
So, yes. What's your email address?
My email address, it's fake. Jason dot English 5 at cup.org. What's your email address?
My email address is m.v.1999@gmail.com.
Gmail.com.
Okay, thank you. Let's look at this part really quick. Common errors. So the book says don't start an answer with is. Always start with it's. What's your name? It's Sylvia. Don't say is Sylvia. That's wrong. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell and answer this question in the comments section. Please reply your answer in the comment. What's your name? What's your name? For example, my answer is my name is Mohammed. You can write your answer and also ask questions from other people in the comments part. For example, you can ask what's your last name? What's your email? What's your phone number? Please write your answer in the comments section. Thank you.
Bye.